Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Qur'ani Almafianda. I'm a third semester student of the Faculty of Teacher Training and Education Indralaya class. Would like to explain about the supply and demand. Demand and supply describe the interaction between two parties, namely the seller and the buyer. Supply is the quantity of a product prepared by an entrepreneur to be sold to its customer. Bidding law, contrary to the law of the demand, an increase in the price of goods or service will cause the supply of these goods or service to increase and the vice versa, assuming other factors are considered. Factor affecting supply. 1. Product cost. The level of production cost affect the ability to produce and the selling price of goods, so it affects the amount of supply. 2. Technology. The more sophisticated the technology used, the more efficient the production of, so that the quantity of freight can be increased. 3. Expectation of future price. If the producer predict that the price will increase during the birth period, then the current offer will be reduced to the goods or service are stockpiled for sale in the future with expectation of increased profits. Demand is the level of a customer desire to buy a product or service provided by the seller. Usually, the high demand will affect the product price. Conversely, low demand will also lower product price. The law of demand, by assuming other factors are fixed ceteris paribus. The law of demand states that when the price of a good or service decreases, the amount of demand for the good or service will increase, and vice versa. When the price of goods or service increase, service or normal goods and increase income will increase of quantity of goods or service demand. However, for inferior goods, especially egg, corn, and rice, factor affecting demand. 1. The price of the item itself. As explained in the law of demand, the price of a good or service itself affects the quantity demands. 2. Community income. For good or service will increase, demand will decrease. An increased income will actually reduce the quantity of good or service demand. 3. Total population. The greater of the population in country, the greater the demand for the goods or service. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. That's all I can explain about supply and demand. I hope hopefully useful. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.